In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print inventory in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to get a clean inventory list on paper or saved as a PDF, perfect for stock counts, team check-ins, or audit support. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation area to get oriented. From there, head to Inventory. This takes you to your inventory overview, where QuickBooks groups items into helpful sections so you can quickly see what needs attention. Now decide what you actually want to print. If you only need a focused list, such as items that are running low, select that specific view. For example, choose the Low on Stock section to narrow the list to just those products. Choosing the right view up front keeps your printout concise and useful, and it saves paper. If you want the complete list of products and services, click View All Products. That opens the Full Products and Services page, where you can see your entire catalog in one place. Take a quick moment here to confirm the screen is showing what you expect. Your printout will mirror what's on this page, so make sure any filters are set the way you want and that the list is sorted in a way that makes sense for your workflow. On the right-hand side of the Products and Services page, just below the New Product or Service button, look for the small printer icon. Click that print icon to open your browser's print window. This is where you can fine-tune how your inventory will look on paper. Adjust your print settings if needed. Choose your printer or select Save as PDF if you want a digital copy. Check the layout, portrait, or landscape so your columns fit nicely. If the text looks cramped, increase the scale slightly or switch to landscape to give wider columns some breathing room. You can also set the page range, adjust margins, and decide whether to include headers or footers depending on your browser's options. A quick preview here helps catch any cut-off columns before you waste pages. When everything looks right, click Print to finish. QuickBooks will send the formatted list straight to your printer or save it as a PDF if you selected that destination. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. What you see on screen is what you print, so confirm your filters and sort order first. And if you don't see inventory or the print icon, you may need additional permissions or a plan that includes inventory tracking. That's it. You've successfully printed your inventory from QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.